Hi and welcome everyone. Thank you for cooking with Carlina. And this is Carlina, which I am doing some Caribbean cooking for the Christmas season. This is how we kind of do our celebration back home in the Christmas. But remember, most importantly, that the reason for the season is Jesus Christ. So we like to enjoy the holiday by which is both Christmas and New Year's by cooking great food, fellowshipping with family, friends and loved ones, or having someone come by that might not have something to eat and you're able to offer them something to eat or even take it to them. So we have something that we call coconut tart in the Caribbean, and it is done by a lot of Caribbean islands. I've seen certain places on YouTube where it's listed as Virgin Island coconut tart. It is not Virgin Island coconut tart because the Virgin Islands is not the only place that makes coconut tarts. St. Martin is also one of those islands that makes coconut tarts, and you have Anguilla, and there's a slew of other Caribbean islands that make coconut tarts. So coconut tarts are a Caribbean dessert that we normally make during the Christmas holidays, but we also enjoy throughout the year, like on birthdays or just simply every day. So, what this recipe calls for, at this particular point, what I have here, I have my ingredients to make I guess my crust. That's what it is. Yes, my crust. So, what I have here is I have 2.5 cups of flour that I'm gonna sift. I'm just showing you the ingredients and what they are. I have here a 1/4 cup of evaporated milk. I have some almond essence, well, extract actually, some vanilla extract. I have a 1/4 cup of cane sugar, 4 ounces, 1 stick of butter. And in here I have 1 tablespoon of baking powder along with a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And then in here I have 1 egg. Okay. Okay, here, I don't know if you can see very well, but in this clip, I have my coconut, my stewed coconut. I got my stewed coconut. And then here, I have, this is going to be my mixing bowl, my spoon. And of course, this is my rolling pin. And of course, I have my pie plates or my tart plates. So what I'm gonna do, my coconut, I had my coconut stewing. I did this since Saturday night. So I grated the coconut, stew it down, a little bit of water, cinnamon, put a little spice in it, of course, cinnamon stick, a little nutmeg, not too much, and I put a little pinch of salt, because salt has a way of just bringing out the flavor. And that's it. So basically what I'm going to do now, I'm going to assemble my crust ingredients and I'm going to make the crust. So while I'm making the crust, I will just be making the crust and the camera will just be focused on what I'm doing and I will not be speaking. However, I will be playing some music in the background and I hope you do enjoy. Thank you. So right now she's starting to feel good. She's still got a little way, a little, not too much more. So I think this should be the last of it. So, and you just coat here. So I'm just barely like folding, you know, just gently. It feels so good under my hand. Okay, so there we go. Okay. So now I'm going to cut this in half. As soon as I can find a knife. There we go. Because I'll be making 2 tarts, so here. Roll this in a ball. There we go. To roll it in a ball, you just bring, you know, just bring in the, and you just bring it in, okay? You turn it over. Okay, one looks a little bigger than the other. Okay, well, it's gonna have to work. So now I'm just going to put these in some saran wrap, and I'm going to put them in the refrigerator so that they can chill for maybe about an hour or 2, or until I'm ready for them. Okay. So for right now, that's that. And I'll be back for the next step.